Ever wondered if you could get paid faster and easier by letting your customers pay directly through your accounting software? It's a question many business owners ask, especially when juggling invoices, payments, and trying to keep those books balanced. Today, we're diving deep into a popular accounting platform, Xero, to answer that very question. Can customers pay through Xero? Let's be honest. Getting paid is the lifeblood of any business. The quicker those invoices are settled, the healthier your cash flow, and the less time you spend chasing payments. Traditional methods like checks, bank transfers, and even manual card payments can be slow, cumbersome, and prone to errors. That's why many businesses are looking for streamlined, integrated payment solutions. And that's where the question of paying directly through Xero comes in. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software that's popular with small and medium-sized businesses. It helps manage everything from invoicing and expenses to bank reconciliation and reporting. It's designed to simplify financial management, but can it also simplify the payment process? The short answer is yes, but with some important nuances. Xero itself doesn't directly process payments in the same way a dedicated payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal does. Think of Xero as the central hub for your financial data, not the payment processor itself. However, Xero integrates with a range of payment gateways, allowing your customers to pay you directly through the invoice you send them from Xero. This is the key. It's not Xero taking the payment, but Xero facilitating the payment through a connected service. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you need to have a Xero account, of course. Then, you'll need to choose a payment gateway that integrates with Xero. There are several options available, each with its own fee structure and features. Some popular choices often include Stripe, PayPal, Go Cardless for direct debit, and others. Xero's app marketplace lists many of these integrations, making it relatively easy to find one that suits your business needs. Once you've chosen and set up your payment gateway, you can connect it to your Xero account. This usually involves a simple linking process. Now, the magic happens. When you create an invoice in Xero, you can include a payment link. This link is unique to that invoice and allows your customer to pay you directly online. When your customer clicks the link, they'll be taken to a secure payment page hosted by your chosen payment gateway. They can then enter their payment details, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or sometimes even a bank transfer, depending on the gateway you've connected. Once the payment is processed, the funds are typically deposited into your merchant account associated with the payment gateway. And here's the beauty of the integration. Xero is automatically updated with the payment information. This means no manual reconciliation, no more ticking boxes, and no more spending hours trying to match payments to invoices. It's all done automatically, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you run a freelance design business. You create an invoice for a client in Xero for $500 for a website design project. You've connected your Xero account to Stripe. You send the invoice to your client via Xero. The client receives the invoice, clicks the Pay Now button, and is taken to a secure Stripe payment page. They enter their credit card details, and the $500 is processed. Stripe then deposits the funds into your Stripe account, and simultaneously, Xero automatically marks the invoice as paid. You get paid faster, your client has a convenient payment option, and your accounting is updated seamlessly. Now, let's address some common questions. What about fees? Yes, payment gateways do charge fees for processing transactions. These fees vary depending on the gateway, the type of card used, and the volume of transactions. It's crucial to research the fee structures of different payment gateways before choosing one. Consider factors like transaction fees, monthly fees, and any potential chargeback fees. Another question is security. Are these online payments secure? Reputable payment gateways invest heavily in security measures to protect sensitive financial information. They use encryption and other security protocols to ensure that transactions are processed safely. However, it's always a good idea to choose well-known and trusted payment gateways. What if my customer doesn't want to pay online? That's perfectly fine. You can still offer other payment options, such as bank transfers or checks. Xero allows you to record these payments manually, keeping your accounting records up to date. The online payment option is simply an added convenience for those who prefer it. Can I offer different payment methods? Yes, depending on the payment gateways you connect to Xero, you can offer a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes even direct debit or mobile payments. This gives your customers more flexibility and can increase the likelihood of them paying you promptly. So, to summarize, can customers pay through Xero? Yes, they can indirectly by using payment gateways connected to Xero. This integration streamlines the payment process, automates reconciliation, and offers a convenient payment option for your customers. It's a powerful tool for managing your finances and getting paid faster. Choosing the right payment gateway is essential, so do your research and compare the options available. Consider factors like fees, features, and security before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.